What I'm about to share now was my very important wake-up call. When I was in college, I had this moment that completely shocked me. I was sitting in my computer science lecture and the professor casually mentioned this. By the time you graduate, 40% what I'm teaching you will be outdated. 40%. That hit me like a truck. I'm paying thousands of dollars for an education that comes with an expiry date, and it gets even worse. When you start looking at job postings, data analyst roles wanted knowledge of machine learning, marketing positions required understanding of AI tools, and even creative jobs were asking for technical skills. Everyone's talking about AI replacing jobs, but no one is talking about the real problem here. And that's the gap between what we are learning in classrooms and what the world actually needs from us. I remember sitting and thinking, I'm working so hard to get good grades, although I didn't really excel at that. But am I actually preparing myself for real life? That question really haunted me. Because here's the truth, and you really need to hear this. Upskilling isn't optional anymore. It is survival. As let's be honest, the world's changing way too fast. New and improved AI tools pop up every single day with constant updates. And if you're not upgrading your skills, you are falling behind even without realizing it. And Brilliant.org is perfect solution for that. It's not just another learning app. It is designed to teach you how the best problem solvers think. So if you want to upskill yourself in 2025, this might be the most important app for you. My name is Prithwiraj and let's dive right in. I tried using this myself and I'm also gonna share my own personal thoughts. As in, what exactly was I using this for? Alright, before we discuss about that, so what exactly is Brilliant? Here's the thing, it's not your typical learning platform where someone talks at you for 45 minutes while you zone out or simply scroll through your phone. Brilliant is an interactive learning platform that focuses on science, maths, computer science, and data analysis. Here's what makes it different, and this is crucial. Instead of just watching lectures, you actually do things. You solve problems, you interact with the visualizations, you also manipulate variables and see what happens in real time. Think of it like this. Traditional learning is watching someone play a video game and hoping you will magically know how to play it yourself. Brilliant is actually like picking up the controller and learning it to play for yourself. And trust me, that difference is huge. And before you panic thinking that sounds way too advanced for me, hold on, because one of the coolest things about Brilliant is that it meets you exactly where you are. So before I share my own experience, let me quickly show what all Brilliant actually covers, because the range is honestly incredible. They have got foundational math, everything from mathematical thinking to algebra and probability, programming and computer science, from your first line of code to advanced algorithmic thinking, data analysis. This is what I use to understand my YouTube matrix. And it covers everything from visualizing data to making predictions. There are also science courses covering circuits, quantum computing, and scientific thinking, as well as logical reasoning to sharpen your problem-solving skills. We also have everyday math that shows you practical applications in real life, and most importantly, technology courses explaining how AI, search engines, cryptocurrencies actually work. They also have courses for advanced learners. They offer calculus and vectors, and if you want to challenge yourself, there is mind-bending math with puzzles, number theory, and geometric thinking. And here's what is powerful. You're not locked into one single path. Maybe you start with data analysis for your research project and then jump to Python because you realize you need coding skills. That flexibility helps you build the skills that you exactly need. Every topic uses the same interactive approach. You're not just reading, you're actually doing and solving problems. This is how you go from I need to pass this class to I genuinely understand this and can apply it anywhere. This is what separates students who just get by from students who actually stand out. They also have this daily streaks and a leaderboard to keep motivating you to upskill yourself. Alright, let me share my own experience now. When I first logged into Brilliant, something unexpected happened. Instead of asking me what do you want to learn, like every other platform on this planet, it asked me what do you want to be able to do. That small shift in wording, that's a game changer. Because I didn't just want to learn statistics, I wanted to understand my YouTube analytics better. I have been creating content for a while now, 11 years to be precise, and every time I looked into my dashboard, views, watch time, click-through rates, audience retention, I felt completely lost. I knew numbers were important, but I had no idea what they actually mean or how to use them to improve my content. Brilliant met me where I actually was. It asked me about my goals, student trying to level up, professional looking to switch careers, or just curious about how things work. Then it asked me about my current level, and here's where I made my first smart decision. I was completely honest. I started with their course on data analysis because that's exactly what I needed, and within the first 10 minutes, something happened that hadn't happened in months of trying to figure out YouTube Studio on my own. I understood something deeply. Here's what they did. Instead of explaining statistical concepts theoretically, they showed me actual data visualizations, similar to what I see in my YouTube analytics. Then they asked me what story this data is telling you. I looked at it and I tried to interpret that. Some of my guesses were right and some were of course wrong, but then they showed me what if we look at the correlations between these two variables, and suddenly I could see patterns that I completely missed. And then it hit me. This is exactly what I needed to do for my own YouTube channel. Look for correlations correlations, identify patterns, understand what drives engagement versus what doesn't. And here's where it gets really interesting. When I got something wrong, which happened a lot at first, the platform didn't just mark it as incorrect and move on. It did something clever. Here's what Brilliant does that literally no other platform that I've used does really well. It treats your mistakes as part of learning, not a failure. Let me give you a concrete example. I was working through a probability problem about predicting outcomes based on historical data. Essentially what YouTube's algorithm does when it recommends videos. And guess what? I got it completely wrong. But instead of seeing a big red cross, the platform asked me, let's think about this differently. What if we looked at just one variable first? That hint alone made me reconsider my approach. Still, I got it wrong. Another hint, try visualizing how variable changes over time. I created a simple graph in my head, and suddenly, and I remember this exact moment, I saw where my thinking had gone wrong. Not because someone told me, but because I figured that out by myself with guidance. That's when I understood why this approach is so powerful for upskilling in 2025. Because when I'm looking at my actual YouTube analytics, nobody's there to tell me what the data means. But there is more to that. This platform uses something called active learning, and there is actual science behind why this works so much better than passive learning. When you actively engage with material, solve problems, and make decisions, and most importantly see immediate feedback, you retain the information 75% better than just watching and reading. Think about that. 75% better retention just by changing how you learn, and not how much time you spend learning. I started using Brilliant for just 20 to 30 minutes a day, just small sessions during my commute between shoots or whenever I had downtime, and within 2 weeks I noticed something strange happening. I opened YouTube Studio, looked at my analytics dashboard, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, I started asking the right questions. Why did this video perform better than that one? Is it the thumbnail click-through rate, the watch time, the topic? Let me look at the correlation. That's not memorization. That's genuine skill development. And also, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll keep bringing you more such videos. But now the real talk. Brilliant requires actual effort. You need to engage your brain. No formal certifications. You gain skills but not certificates for LinkedIn. It's specialized in STEM. So if you need language or humanities, look elsewhere. Brilliant gives unlimited access to expert content, an AI tutor, and structured learning. If it helps you pass even one class or land one single internship, it pays for itself many times over. You can scan the QR code right now, else click on the link in the description box below the like button to learn more about them. But here's what matters. The world doesn't really care about your GPA as much as whether you can actually solve problems and think critically. Here's my challenge to you. Don't take my word for it. Simply sign up, pick the subject you're struggling with or the one skill that you would like to build. Give it only 20 minutes a day for just 1 week. And then simply ask this to yourself. Did this help me understand better? Did it make learning enjoyable instead of painful? And most importantly, did it build my confidence? Your future self will thank you for investing in real learning today. Not just memorization for tests, but building skills that would actually matter. Start today, sign up and see what you're capable of with the right set of tools. Drop a comment, what skills are you tackling first? And now simply go prove what you're capable of. And also if you need help organizing your life, then let me help you with that as well. Click here on this video, and over there we have discussed the best apps that would take your productivity to the next level. See you there.